Hi everyone, welcome to another daily dose of Jay's tutorials. So in this video we are going to add a password to our numbers document. So I'm just going to open up numbers, select a random template here, categories, open it up. Next, let me maximize it first. That's better. Now to set a password, all you got to do is click on File, Set Password. Type a random password. I'm just going to do something easy. Verify, so you just repeat the password and then you just type in a hint if you want, and then you can put it in your keychain if you want to as well. So this password, just an example, I just put 1234. Do not use that password. It is too easy. So let's close the document. Now let's open it up again. So you're going to notice a padlock here right on the file. That means there's a password set for it. Let's open it up. So it's going to ask us for our password. I'm going to put in 1234. Click OK. Awesome. So it opened up. So if we want to remove our password, I just do File, Change Password. And then I type in the original password. And then I just press Remove Password. So I'm going to leave the new password blank because we don't want a password. Remove password. Perfect. Now we close this. Now if we open up our recents again, you're going to notice that the categories, it doesn't have a padlock on it anymore. So that means it has no password. So I just click it and it will open up, taking us to our document. So I hope that makes sense. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and take it easy.